Detroit Tigers ace Tarik Skubal has lived in trade rumors since the season began, with powerhouse contenders watching closely and waiting for any sign of movement. As free agents continue to come off the board, the focus has shifted toward the trade market, and Skubal's name sits at the center of it. Rival executives have reportedly been surprised by Detroit's willingness to at least listen, even if the door remains mostly closed. According to league insiders, the Tigers have done what smart front offices do. They have taken calls, gauged interest, and set a price that reflects Skubal's true value. That price, by most accounts, is massive. Opposing general managers describe it as extreme, but also completely justified for a pitcher who has dominated the league and anchored a rotation. Detroit is not shopping Skubal. They are measuring the market. The current expectation around baseball is patience. The Tigers want to see how the season unfolds before making a franchise-altering decision. If Detroit finds itself in the thick of the playoff race, the plan is simple. Keep Skubal, push to win, and attempt to secure his future with a long-term deal. If the season goes sideways and contention slips away, the conversation changes quickly. At that point, moving Skubal could become the clearest path to accelerating a rebuild. That uncertainty keeps teams like the Mets and Dodgers circling. New York, armed with one of the deepest farm systems in the sport, has explored what a realistic offer might look like. Some of their most prized young talent is considered untouchable, but there remains a collection of pitchers and position players who could headline a serious proposal. The Mets know that waiting for free agency carries risk, and striking early could give them an edge. Los Angeles presents a different challenge. The Dodgers have both the prospect depth and the major league talent to satisfy Detroit's demands. Insiders suggest the Tigers are seeking a return comparable to the biggest trades in recent memory, the kind of deal that reshapes two organizations at once. That is a steep price for a potential short-term rental, but elite pitching always comes at a premium. For Detroit, the calculation goes beyond value charts and prospect rankings. Trading Skubal would mean asking the fan base to accept the loss of the most dominant pitcher the franchise has seen in years. Any deal would need to deliver immediate credibility and long-term hope. Prospects alone might not be enough. Until the trade deadline approaches, the noise will only grow louder. Skubal remains a Tiger for now, but the tension between patience and opportunity ensures this story is far from finished. Every conversation, every rumor, and every deadline inch closer adds pressure, suspense, and anticipation to one of baseball's most watched situations this season ahead.